So I've got a couple of rows set out on the floor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start bedding them in. So I've done the cut all the way along this back wall here. Let me show you. So yeah, see, cut along the back wall, so I can get that in, and then I've done the next row along, and I'm just going to work my way across the room like this. So and then basically work my way out the apartment. I've got the longer cuts done. I did it yesterday when I was setting out this pattern. So I did the longer cuts because they're going to take longer, and I figure that the end cuts, where it's only going along the 600 length, shouldn't take too long. So I'm going to do them as I go along and just throw row in after row after row, and just get as much done as possible. Feel like getting some momentum again, so it'd be good to just smash it out. So I'm going to stick you on like a maybe time lapse, or maybe just speed it up in the edit. Hope you guys enjoy.
Continue my journey, the sky's the limit. I'm dipping out early to finalize digits. Bitches are curvy, I'm in my feelings. It wasn't worthy of hiding my demons. It would have hurt if there wasn't a meaning. It could have burned them to feel how I felt. I'm out here earning my peace in the evening. I'm so determined I'm finding myself. Hot but the ice doesn't melt. I need some answers, yeah. I'm finding more by myself. Just trying to look past it, yeah. No one for asking for help, unless what I ask is fair. Chasing my dreams, that's what it seems. Nothing we can't compare, yeah. This is the time that we need to let go of the way that's been holding us back. This is the time that we need to latch onto our face, so focus on that. I would not let go of something so special or scrape all the moments we had. Remembering cherishing moments could save you from stabbing yourself in the back. I don't know how to stop. I've been around the block 1,000 times. Said I'll turn it down a notch. Been working around the clock. How divine. Sit on the mountain top that some people frown upon. No doubt in mine. Trying to get my money up, I might as well. Look past the thought of future, only time will tell. Manifest with love intended, I mean well. I see it in my vision, hold it in my hands as well. Trying to get my money up, I might as well. And past the thought of future, only time will tell. Manifest with love intended, I mean well. I see it in my vision, hold it in my hands as well. Oceanside, broken bright, wholesome times. Close my eyes, won't advise, taking sides. Strolling by, holding mine, flipping pies. Ill-advised, missing words on distant signs. Oceanside, broken bright, wholesome times. Close my eyes, won't advise, taking sides. Strolling by, holding mine, flipping pies. Ill-advised, missing words on distant signs. Yeah, you already know what it is. I don't even know how to stop, baby. One-way ticket to the world. Forward march, one direction forward. No regrets.
Let me in. I know this is
So we've got lights on here now, nice and bright. Get some better quality videos. So I'm almost all the way through the floor now. I'll turn it around so you can have a look how far I've got. So yeah, this bit of the hallway, got all the tiles cut the other day, ready to go. So towards the end of the day I'm going to throw them in. Got this, a little bit left to do in the bathroom. I'm just going to throw this bit of board on and everything this morning because I've got the electrician coming back. Probably won't film that. So all of this is done, filled up with crap. So yeah, I've been using the same floor leveling system as I did upstairs, but I've got the hang of it now. My lines are so much straighter. I'm so much happy with them. I was putting too much pressure on them, and it was just pushing the tiles away from each other upstairs. And I've done it a lot. Like I'll push it down as far as I can with my hand, and then I'll just tighten it up a little bit with the floor levelers, and it levels it out nicely. And yeah, don't get any sort of slipping away. I mean, there's a couple on the sides where they're smaller and I was cut and they're pushed towards the wall, but really that wasn't an issue. So yeah, I'm a lot happier with the spacing between the tiles in this one. And yeah, it's coming along. So it's come up to Christmas now, and I'm planning to work over Christmas, try and get this apartment done. At some point I've got a meeting to go look at another apartment overlooking Shuva to finish that. So that could be the next video. If not, I've got next series, sorry. If not, I've got Fred's aunt wants some work done in her apartment, so we've agreed a price on that one, and I'll be doing that. Which will be interesting because it's like ex-Soviet era block of flats. So yeah, it's all going to be new to me. I'm not obviously. It's yeah, it'll be fun. I'm going to be learning. If anything, it's going to make me an even better builder than I already am, which is always a positive. Anyway, I hope guys are enjoying the video, and I will crack on. Yeah, remember, give us a subscribe to watch my journey out here.